Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm gonna unbox this One Piece card game thing. I only bought one of it. It wasn't very expensive. Check this shit out. So I chose the Roger thing. It's Roger. That's what's inside this actually. We have one special Dawn pack and two Royal Blood packs. I've never had a special Dawn, so I don't know if it's gonna be Luffy or Rogers. It's Rogers. This is sword. Now let's open the packs. Both OP 10 packs. I already opened two of these. Didn't pull anything out of me. The giant Hashiruden, Peroma, Brownbeard, I have no clue how to pronounce, Zoro, Usopp, Bian, Gum Gum Rhino Schneider, Gum Gum UFO, Monosuke, Foxy, Sugar card, and oh, that's nice. We have a Don Quixote do Flamingo. Really nice card here. I don't know. It's a secret rare as well. I'm gonna sleeve them up. It's the worst color combination, but it's not so bad. Might not be worth a lot, but I really like this card. So here we have it again, Don Quixote do Flamingo. It's going to the side. We have one more pack. Also, I already see a leader. We have a Ivankov, Blue Gilly, Inazuma, Punk Hazard, Moosey, Cavendish. So we do not have the right to choose how they die. Mocha, a Joe Ribani, oh, Smoker, Secret Rare I think, or just a regular rare, I don't. Radio Knife, and a Capone. That's just the leader. This one is just a rare. So yeah, that was the 10. I had much better luck with the 10 than with boost packs. So yeah, recommend.